Okay, so we're gonna do a quick unboxing, nothing fancy. It's just gonna be this ear protection right here, and it's gonna be nice and simple. You're gonna see it right here. But again, years ago, I actually worked with this company, and they sent me a bunch of different colors and a bunch of different ones. I used it for a long time, and they were good, really, really good. So again, if you're a person that goes shooting, obviously, or maybe you work construction, you need ear protection. This is great. They're gonna provide really good protection. But the thing about this is that it's really inexpensive. It really doesn't cost a lot of money. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing. It's not going to be nothing fancy. I'm going to put links down below if you want to support it. But again, I used this for a long time and I needed a pair of headphones. And knowing that they do pretty decent and they don't cost a lot of money, I actually bought a pair and they're here, right? So I'm going to give you a quick look on this right here. This is a For Sho Ear Protection Safety Ear Muff, as you see right here. And I'll tell you what, I have used this in the past and I have enjoyed it very much. Again, they're going to come in different colors and they're going to have a couple different things that I'm going to show you here. But essentially, you got a 34 dB noise reduction, which is definitely a lot smaller and lighter, which is fantastic as well. It's going to fit really nice and comfortable. And again, they're really not that expensive. Like I say, I have used this in the past many times. So we're going to open this one up right here and I'm going to show you two of them that I have. And we're just going to do a quick unboxing so you could kind of see it right here, right? And you see the box in there. What we have is some paperwork, little thank you, and a couple different things in here. I love that. Has a bunch of little pictures, so it's easy for you to understand, right? And we're gonna take a look at this. There's a quick look. It's just like this. This ones are the gray one. They do come in different colors, like I said. In fact, I got this one here as well. And again, it's going to be the same spec. Again, 34 dB noise reduction and pretty much the same. We're going to open this ones up. And as you can see, you get the gray one right there and you get the black one right here. Okay, here we're going to have the different colors. Obviously, you have the black one right there. You can kind of see it in there. And then we have the gray one right here. They're both about the same. So I'm just going to give you a quick look on one of them so you can see it. Obviously, for storage, if you go like this, they become nice and compact. You can put it inside a backpack or anything like that, a lunch box or anything like that. When you open it up, you're going to see a little bit of padding right here so it could be comfortable in your head. And it's also going to have a little bit of adjustments right here. As you can see, this thing opens up, up and down. So it's going to give you some space if you need extra space, right? If you see the cup right there, see a little bit of the material there, a little phoning there, and it should feel nice and comfortable. I'm going to give you a look how they look on me. And again, this is kind of what you have right there. As you can see, they're not bulky or anything like that. It actually feels pretty good. You can see a little bit of the padding right here on top of my head that provides that protection. And as you can see, it covers my entire ear. And again, it feels pretty good. So like I say, I have used it many, many times and I never had an issue with them. In fact, I got two more pairs because I actually like them. For the price, really, you can't go wrong. And again, they come in different colors. So that's it. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. And as always, God is in control.